Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. McCabe. Hello. We're coming to you live from the guidance office. I'm here with Hank, our therapy dog's best buddy, Fisky. Hank couldn't be with us today. He's out prowling around making sure everybody feels comfortable and safe at Crestwood School. So Fisky and I are here because Hank left something special just for you, cadets. That's right. He heard about our unboxing video last week, and when I came into my office, he left a box for us to have a second unboxing video. And the box says, make life more fun. So yep, you heard it right here today. We're going to do a second unboxing of prizes for the Cadet Pride Carnival. Now, if you don't remember about the Cadet Pride Carnival, it's coming up in May. All students are invited, and students are to come with their Cadet Pride bucks that they've earned for positive behavior. That's right, cadets. When you make those Cadet Pride choices of being respectful, responsible, trustworthy, and caring, you might earn a Cadet Pride buck for that positive behavior. And when you earn that Cadet Pride buck, you want to put your name on the back and collect them, because when you come to the carnival in May 20th to be exact, you're going to take those Cadet Pride bucks. That's right, you're going to take those Cadet Pride bucks and you're going to spend them on games. And when you win those games, you can win a prize. And our great friend Hank delivered a special delivery for a second unboxing. I have no idea what's in here. None. Zero. Zilch. It just says from Hank, delivered to Howard Winnesheet Community Schools in Cresco, Iowa. So we're going to open it today. That's right. We're going to tie right into that box. Cadet Pride bucks everywhere. And we're going to open it up because we're going to have a rocking rest of the school year and continue to show that Cadet Pride Carnival. Here we come. So let's get to the unboxing. I know that's what you really want to see. So we're going to take these scissors and we're going to open her up. All right, Fisky, you're watching me, aren't you, buddy? Okay, I'm going to be safe and responsible with the scissors. This one's a little tighter. Got it. Put those here. Unbox, unbox, unbox. Here we go. Prizes for the carnival from Hank. All right. When we see Hank, we'll have to make sure we give him a special wave. A little bit of stuffing. Oh, wow. There's a lot in here. I got to sit it down on the floor. I can't even keep it on my lap. Too much to see, friends. All right. So the first item that I want to reveal for prizes for the Cadet Pride Carnival are these amazing squishies. Oh, my goodness. These are so awesome. Squishy, squishy. Oh, my gosh. We got to open this up. We got to open these squishies. This is called a variety pack. A variety pack, and they're actually nice sized. I'll compare it to something so you kind of get the idea of the size. So, Hank, you did well. So, boom, boom, what? We've got these, and then they're squishy. Squish out, kind of a stress ball. We've got a bee ball. Oh, very nice squish. Oh, yeah, very pleasing. We've got a soccer ball. We're just going sports round right here. We got a football, and we got a baseball. Oh, yeah. So we have those. There's also a beach ball. Summer fun. And then there's some of those other magic words. Bam, what? We talked about that one. Pawtastic. We've got some paws, probably because they're from Hank. Oh, the Cadet Pride blue one. I love that. There's also food. Life is a piece of cake. Donut, you know, you're so special. So we have food, we have, oh, tomato, tomato. Let's call the whole thing off. This is amazing. I love it. So a whole bag, there's some globes in there too. Oh, there's even some cool Lego blocks. That's really cool. Lego my Lego. I love it. So we've got those squishies, lots of them. I'd say there's 75 in there. Maybe not 75. That might have been an overestimate, but a nice amount. Okay, let's take this one. Try to escape. Okay. All right, I'm so excited. Here we go. Next box, this size. No idea what's in it. So we'll see. Oh, dangerous. No. The unboxing continues. All right, here we go, friends. Okay. Not quite there. I know. The excitement's mounting. I am taking the scissors. I'm opening the edges of the box. What could it be? Oh, these are really awesome. Okay, I'm going to hold up the whole tray. They're cars. But not only are they miniature cars, I'm just going to go with this Cadet Blue. I don't even know if you can see this. I'm going to just try it like this. Oh, yeah. Did you see that? Off the table that went. We'll get it later. It's okay. That's what happens when we unbox. We get a little excited. So we've got a box of those really cool cars coming in like gold, a dark brown, a Cadet Pride Blue, and ladies, we've got some aqua there. Take a spin in that. So there we go. We've got cars. What else? Oh, yeah. We're going to stay with the car theme because this box is clear. And we've got monster trucks. Monsters trucks. Monstrous excitement. Same idea. Oh, my gosh. They spin too. I don't know. We're going to try this one too. Again, I pulled. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This one does all sorts of tricks. He's racing right out of here. All right, so we've got those cool cars. There's a whole bag full of those in multiple colors. We've got red. Red, they're jumping out of the bag. They're so excited. We've got green and some red. But the fun does not end there. Okay, and we've got this box. Okay. Unboxing, unboxing. We're unboxing at Crestwood. Oh my goodness. I never even... These are cool. Policemen. Bring out the wagon. We got to load it up. Oh, there's a lot of spin there. Listen to that. Broom. Okay, we got to try that one too. Whoa. Okay, so that goes. All right, so we've got a box of those. Those are amazing. Those are really cool. I like those. Okay, let's see what else is in here. It's a wheels, wheels, wheels box. I'm guessing that Hank likes to move. He likes to chase after things that move. Oh, these are cool. Same kind of idea, but these are Jeeps. I'd love to take a cruise in one of these. I'm going to open one up. It's a little Jeep. Boys, I think it's a Jeep. Okay, and girls, ladies, you probably know more about Jeeps. Same idea. There's some spin on the back of those. Those Jeeps come in silver, yellow, for a little excitement. Want people to notice you in the yellow. Oh, and there's some green deep down in there. You see the green? It's deep in there. Yep. All right, so we've got cars. We've got ambulances. We've got race cars. All right, what's next? This is a wheels basket, let me tell you. A box full of wheels. These are minis. And these mini wheels. Oh, they're tractors. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, they're tractors. Pull-back tractors. So you're going to do the same idea. You pull them back and they go. I love that. The farming aspect. I like that it's a tractor. We don't have any tractors. Very good. This guy might pick up this guy. I'm coming to get you. Okay. All right. And one last item. More wheels. The wheels on the bus go round and round here at Crestwood because we've got wheels on our heads and our elbows, everywhere. Wheels, wheels. These are little tiny race cars. We've got purple. Oh, and these go. These have some power. They have some power. We're talking a power racing superior. We got blue. We got purple. We've got red. And we've got green, mean fighting machine green. So we've got a little bit of everything. We've got wheels all over. So again, that was the box. Unboxing is unboxed. We did it. Box number 2. Wheels and that took me a while. My bad. Squishies. Lots of squishies. Have a great day. All right. One more. We'll do another pun. Oh, I love you too, Fisky. He must want to cuddle. You're out of this world, cadets. You got this. Keep working on earning those Cadet Pride bucks, and I'll come back to you soon. Maybe I'll have another unboxing. You never know. We're trending. Bye, friends. Have a great day.